What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and in today's video, we're gonna do something a little different for this channel. For anyone that's new checking out this video, I primarily make snowboard YouTube videos, but dude, we've been doing full-time YouTube snowboarding for 3 years now. So why not cover the topic? Because you guys ask me all the time, this is a very common question. How do you make a living snowboarding? How do you make a living on YouTube? How are you doing this like for a living? You only have 74,000 subscribers. Like, that doesn't make sense. So we're gonna jump right into this. How to have a successful YouTube channel and everything like that. If you're new to the channel, my name is Johnathan Buckhouse. I make snowboard YouTube content. I've been doing it full time for 3 years. I support my wife and 2 children. They all stay at home. They're little ones. And yeah, that's what we do. We're here, we snowboard every single day, and it's a blast. All right, let's jump right into it. How to have a successful YouTube channel. And it literally starts with you guys. I'm sorry to tell you that, but it starts with you. You want to have a successful YouTube channel? You got to work on you. Are you ready to start making YouTube content? Like, why are you doing it? Are you doing it for the fame, the money, the freedom? Because you love something and you're just like, I want to do what I love and then for a living, and it's going to allow me to do that? That's the category I fell into. I just want to snowboard. Well, if I make snowboard YouTube videos, I get to snowboard more. So I'm going to make YouTube videos. I don't care about being a YouTuber, but YouTube allows me to do the one thing that I want to do the most, which is snowboard. So once you decide what you're doing it for, you got to decide what is success to you. Is success a lot of money? Is success a lot of followers? Is success just living that dream life? You know, you got to pick and choose what your success is, because you might think you want to have 1 million subscribers, but you don't need to have 1 million subscribers to have the life that you actually really want. So kind of sit down and really like evaluate yourself. What do you want in life? Why do you want to start this YouTube channel? Because once you start it, it's gonna consume everything. It's gonna become your life every minute of every day. There's no clocking out, anything like that, because even when the camera's off, the videos are uploaded, you still got comments and all these other things to get into. So you gotta really understand, like, is this what I really want to do? The next thing too is you gotta decide, what content are you gonna make? Are you literally gonna make like slime trick challenges, whatever, just to get on YouTube and try and get as many views as possible? Or do you have a purpose or hobby that you love and that's what you want to share your knowledge with everybody? Or do you want to just like get popular because you have a family vlog, you want to have a cute family thing, you want to do what other people are doing, you just want to jump on board with that train? Like, what do you want to do? What kind of content do you want to make? If you do want a successful channel, having a niche is important, but just so you know, every niche has a niche that has a niche. So like with my channel, I'm in a niche content, which is like skiing and snowboarding. Well, in that skiing and snowboarding, I'm the niche of snowboarding. And then in that niche of snowboarding, I'm in like daily vlogging / like quality life. But you could literally be in snowboarding and just be how-to videos or just gear reviews. Like in my niche of a niche of a niche, you can have niches of content that you make. So you don't have to do literally everything. You can do like just gear reviews, or you can do just family vlogs, or like whatever you want to do. Like, find that niche or content that you want to make. The other thing that's going to be important for success is once you start making videos, first off, just do what you can. Make whatever videos you can. Once you start getting in a rhythm, get a schedule, whether that's once a week, twice a week, once a month, twice a month, like whatever it is. Pick a schedule, like every second Monday and fourth Monday, I'm posting a video of each month. And you have to stick with that so people know when to come back. If they don't know when to come back and the video shows up here or there, or you like take 3 months to post, like people are gonna forget that you even existed and why they even subscribed, and you're not gonna get your videos watched. So try to be as consistent as you can. I upload daily. I don't really recommend that. It's kind of a lot of work and a little stressful and everything like that, but I have a purpose. I know why I'm doing that. So as long as you have a purpose and you know why you're doing it and why you're sticking with your upload schedule, that's what matters. Let people know when to come back so they continue to come back. The other thing that's nice about a schedule is that means there's only one thing that matters for your channel for it to be successful, and that's getting that video out on that date. So once again, I want to upload daily. So every single day, I have one main goal, one main purpose. As long as I do that one thing, my channel is succeeding and going in the direction that I want it to go, and that's if I post a video every single day. If I don't reply to any comments, any DMs, I don't do anything in the back end, I don't ship out any merch, if I don't do anything but I post that one video a day, I got so much further and I accomplished my goal and did what I wanted to do by doing the one thing that had to happen every single day, which is post a video. So once again, that could be the one thing a week that you have to do to have a successful YouTube channel, which is post your videos. Like, that is the most important thing. Pick your schedule and make sure you stick with it, and that's the only thing you need to do in order for your channel to become successful. Given like time and effort and all the other things that gotta happen, but if you're doing that one thing, you're on the right path to being successful. Now, even if you're doing all the schedule, like posting on schedule, being on time, all that stuff like that, if you fail to build a community, you're gonna go nowhere. The community is the one thing that allows you to take this from a hobby and something that people are watching to a reality of a lifestyle that you get to live it because your community is supporting you. I hate to call them fans or subscribers. I like to call them like ambassadors or supporters because I only get to do this because of you guys watching the videos. So you're not fans of me, you're my supporters, you're my ambassadors. You make this possible, and that's how you need to treat your community. They're your boss in a way, but building a community is easier said than done, but there's some things you can do to help build that. I like to go live once a week so I can talk to everybody, let them know unedited that I'm a real person. You also have the premieres. I premiere every single one of my videos, so every single day you guys can come talk to me live for 15 minutes in the chat and be like, what's up, how we doing? You also got your comments. If you're new to YouTube and you're getting like 4 comments a video, you better be replying to every single comment you get. If you're on Instagram, you better reply to every message you get. You need to be interactive with your community. You need to be available to them. If you're trying to build a community, that's the only true way to build a community. And guess what? When you do a premiere and you're in there talking to Tom, who showed up last week, but also then Jill shows up, who showed up last week, and then also Tom and Jill are talking to each other, that's the community. The community isn't just you and another person, it's you and those guys talking, and everyone being stoked that, Greg just showed up, and then R-Star is here, and L-Stagger's in the chat, and then that's the community that makes this place incredible. Like literally, a community equals a successful YouTube channel. If you are literally just out there chasing views, what's gonna happen is you might have a channel or a month that does incredible and you got like record-breaking views because you got all these viral videos, and then all of a sudden you are making videos that aren't getting views, and now you have this inconsistency in your business or whatever you want to call your channel. So then all of a sudden you're like, yo, last month I made a bunch of money and this month I'm not making any money. But if you have a community and the community is going to show up every single day no matter what, you have this consistent guaranteed flow of income, and you might have a good month where you got a lot of views and everything like that, and then when you have a month where you got a lot of low views, but that community's still there. They're still riding and dying with you, supporting you through your Patreons, your memberships, whatever, buying your merch. So if community equals success, if you chase the views, if you chase just the watch time, you're gonna fail. It also helps to give your community a name. I call mine Team Huckhouse. My name's Johnathan Buckhouse. Hucking it is when you like throw a trick and you just kind of go after it. So Team Huckhouse, it's kind of a cute name, play on my name. So that's my community. What up, Team Huckhouse? How we doing? The other thing is like your merch needs to be cool too. Like if you wouldn't rock it, chances are other people aren't gonna rock it. I'm a big fan of not having your merch be your name. I don't even sell Team Huckhouse stickers. I literally have like Keep Evolving, our motto. That's the logo right there. I got shirts and hats and everything, but have a cool logo that someone would buy it even if they didn't even like you, and that's gonna help you be more successful on YouTube. You also need to diversify your revenue incomes. I mean, you got Amazon affiliates, you got like Teesprings that you can do, you get all the membership programs. There's literally unlimited amounts of ways to make income come to a YouTube channel. You need to think of it as like the ultimate advertising platform, which allows a bunch of revenue streams to come in, which is gonna allow you to get out of that 9-to-5 day job faster, which is gonna let you make more content and just make better content, which is what happened to me. And the moment I quit my job, I was able to go all in on this, and just everything with my channel got better. So think about other ways to make income other than just depending on YouTube for a check. But seriously, at the end of the day, if you want your channel to be successful, if you want to be successful on YouTube or just anything in life, you need to do it for you. Like, I absolutely love snowboarding. I want to snowboard all the time, and I know by making these videos, not only do I get to see myself snowboard, which has always been the coolest part, and like watching and trying to get better at snowboarding, and just get to go do more snowboarding. So like, I make this video so I can snowboard more. I love it so much, but also I have a purpose behind my channel too, and that's to influence young adults to be better people, to try harder, to always go after it, to keep evolving, not only in snowboarding, but in life. And having a purpose allows me to stay up till 2 in the morning every single night, which is what I'm doing right now, as well as the days or in the season when I gotta wake up at 4 in the morning. You gotta have a purpose, because there are gonna be some tough times when the views are down, or people are unsubscribing, or it's just in snowboarding, we get all of our action in the winter, and in the summer it dies down. Like, you gotta have those things that are gonna just keep you going, keep you pushing, and you gotta do it for you, because if you're not doing it for you, well, then who else are you doing it for? And I'm gonna leave you with one more nugget. Comparison is the thief of joy. If you are out here comparing your videos to other creators and be like, well, how come they have 1 million subscribers and I don't, or my snowboarding is better than their snowboarding, or I could do it better than they could do it, it's not fair, all this stuff. Stop comparing, focus on you. Don't watch other people's videos. Watch your videos and work on your stuff, because you already have too much to work on with yourself that you don't have time to be watching other people being like, I'm I'm better on this, whatever. Trust me, comparison is the thief of joy. Because if you're making videos, you're making content, you have enough to be stoked on. Watch your own stuff, be stoked on it, be critical of it, improve it, and don't compare yourself to other people because it'll steal your joy. There's a lot of cool things happening in your life. But with that, Team Buckhouse, I know that was totally different than my normal content. I hope you still enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button to watch mainly snowboard content, but we might jump into some more of this YouTube type content like this. And if you did like it, comment down below, give me the feedback. I need feedback on this. And that's another point that I didn't mention. Let your subscribers help you, your supporters, your ambassadors. Kenny made the resort map, which is a map of the United States, and it has all the logos, everything like that. Kenny made this channel better. Let other people help you make your channel better as well. And honestly, there's more that I could say, but that's just gonna have to be another video. So with that, Team Buckhouse, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger. Yeah.